What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? If this is your first time tuning into a video by me, welcome. If not, and you're returning, welcome back. It's good to see you. It's good to see you here again with me, watching me. I am here to bring you guys another banger of a video. So, what are we doing today? I have a 10.8 inch tablet. I think it's 10. Okay, Google. What size is the Samsung? Oh, nope, Lenovo TB3X306F. I have a 10.8 inch tablet here that I'm going to be installing into my car today to be taking the place of the radio. I've been wanting to do something like this and upgrading the interior of the car for a long time. 2005 vehicle, gets a little bit dated. It's time to introduce some new tech. It's going to be super cool. I have a kit from a company called Workshop 12 that I've been plotting on for like 2 years now. There's an installation video that Workshop 12 has released from the manufacturer, how to install it. I'll link that video in the description below so you guys can watch that on the install. As far as it goes with me, I'm just going to be putting it in. If anything comes up that the video doesn't explain too well, I'll go ahead and drop that in as a note, but otherwise, I'm super excited for this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get straight into it. So here is everything that the kit comes with, plus some extra material for vinyl wrapping that I'm gonna be doing. So the kit comes with the back plate, a faceplate that's magnetic for the tablet to be able to fit into your car. Tablet sold separately. This unit here seems to replace the head unit. It comes with all of the tools necessary to pop off your panels, a bunch of wiring in order to make it all work. You have the source your screwdriver, obviously. I'm going to be vinyl wrapping my faceplate in this satin black, the same black that I did the rest of my interior. Post the link up here, maybe, or here. I don't know where it's gonna go. The link for that video of changing the color of my car is gonna be somewhere here. It's gonna be in the description also. But the faceplate requires sanding before you can apply any kind of vinyl wrap or paint. If you're gonna be vinyl wrapping, I would recommend a heat gun and then a quick blade or easy precision hand blade. You're gonna need that. Most importantly, the most important thing of this entire kit here, nothing would be possible. I wouldn't have ever bought it if it didn't come with stickers, because we all know car guys love stickers. We have been following the instructions to a T. We have everything for the most part hooked up, but the issue is my radio is a rat's nest. This is crazy. I can't do anything with this. I don't know what anything is. There's more connectors here than there should be. I don't know which part is the kit for the doubled in. I don't know which part is for the original dash harness. We're gonna have to get that figured out. So I've been sitting here thinking about a solution for what I could do for this, and I've come up with absolutely nothing. It looks like I'm gonna need a whole new dash harness in order to get the radio to work properly, because the one that's been in here is so rat fucked that the connectors have been snipped and placed in different positions. I don't want to go through the process of putting everything back to stock. So I'm gonna need a new dash harness in order to get this thing to work, but I'm gonna continue installing this so I can show you guys what it look like, so then you guys can make your mind on whether or not you wanna make the purchase and go ahead and get yourself a tablet for your car.
So seating position, it is pretty good. You're able to grab the wheel. You're able to reach all the things that you need to reach. It's like the perfect length to be able to hit everything. I've got my GPS navigation that I have here. The tablet's a little slow. I think it has something to do with the model itself. But I mean, just having this availability in this 2005 car, such modern technology is great. I have like my OK Google thing that I can put in here. It's probably listening to me right now. Yep. I could do internet searches. Obviously not while you're driving. Got YouTube. I've got my YouTube music. And the way I have it interfaced is the tablet here has all of its tablet controls here, but you can also swipe through on this and visit all your apps that you have here. So I mean, hell, go on Instagram if you wanted to. Yeah, everything is kind of just there. This is absolutely sick. There's color controls that you can put in here, so you could do like a blue if you wanted to. I have mine set to like the orange. Actually, I really like that blue. That's sick. But I have mine set to the orange to match the interior of my car. Just bringing everything together, tying everything in. I want to incorporate some more orange somewhere here on the dash. I see guys doing like this top thing orange and then this up here orange. I don't want to do that. I think I'm gonna try to do something with the vents. I'm gonna try to do something with the vents in orange to really bring everything in. I mean, obviously the gauge cluster is orange, but it's just all black over there. I'm gonna do the rings on the speakers as well, but man, I'm super happy with this. I've got volume controls with 2 fingers. You can swipe through. 2 fingers, you're supposed to be able to skip through songs. So let's say if I played a song here. I'm gonna turn the volume down so I don't get like copyrighted, infringed. Yep, so boom, get that out of the way, back home. Volume's all the way down. You could skip through here by using 2 fingers. And I don't know, you're supposed to, there it is. Yeah, there you go. You could skip through using 2 fingers and then control the volume doing 2 fingers, and then you have everything right here. But this is a really cool interface. It fits really well, it meshes really well. I am in love with it. So yeah.
Unfortunately, AC controls do not work. It's not supported for the G35 yet. That should be coming in the near future. That should be coming in the near future. I'm in contact with Workshop 12 on Instagram, trying to get as much updates as I can on when we should be getting AC controls. I don't see my car running in the next few months anyways. It's gonna be rolling into the winter months when I am, so I'm just fine on that. But stick around to the end of the video. Again, some exciting news. So for those of you who stuck to the end of the video, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Here is the exciting news that I've been wanting to tell you guys. So, dealing with this is probably like the perfect transition because the wire harness, the dash harness for this is completely jacked up. I'm gonna have to get a new one. And in the process of what I'm about to do, I will. The exciting news is I'm doing a motor swap. We got ourselves a VQ35 VHR motor here. It's from a 2019 370Z. It's got 12,000 miles on it. I got it for a pretty good price. Another video is going to be coming out on that pretty soon, so you make sure you guys stay tuned, lock into the channel, subscribe for more. I'm super excited for this. Honestly, super excited for this. That's kind of been my philosophy on the car. If anything breaks, it's just a reason for me to upgrade it. And this is going to be the next step in Carmen's transition to be what I want her to be. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.